So warranty. If you get broken item, then we need to see very short video, and please do not open the dispute or return. First contact us on this email or on a website. So we need short video, so you can send it by email. It needs to be very short. So we need to see our warranty sticker like this, and then we need to see, oh, broken. So on one picture, if you send me a picture just like this, I don't know if it's ours or you're trying to send us your broken screen back. So we really need to see our warranty sticker. For example, here you can see the connector is broken. So here is easy, you just send a picture and we send you replacement second day. So for example, here you can see the warranty sticker has been taken off and put back on, so you can see it's voided. So we don't accept these returns. It needs to be clean like this. Here is, for example, just flexes tear down. We need to see that. Here, this one is completely broken. See, when you receive something like this, you need to write us right away, send a short video or pictures, and we can solve it quickly. If you open a dispute, it's gonna take shitload of time, and we try to avoid this. For example, this one has no warranty sticker, so if you receive something like this with no sticker, just write us immediately, and we will need serial number, it's here, and some pictures, of course. If you see fault on your tablet screen, when you connect it to your motherboard, please turn it on and show us a very short video with the fault. This one is pink and warranty sticker. Yeah, see, we need to see the number or unbroken seal. So very short. It needs to be really short.